Hello dear friends, in this video, we have prepared a video of Aerocool company, named Air Frost 4, in which we will examine the CPU cooler. I hope you like it, but first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell.
The processor we used in the test is AMD Ryzen 5800X. In our system, before Aerocool Air Frost 4, we were using Cooler Master Liquid ML120L. With Cooler Master Liquid ML120L, the temperature of our AMD Ryzen 5800X processor was rising up to 91 degrees under load. After we started using the Aerocool Air Frost 4, we saw that it did not exceed 68 degrees under load. Of course, the air circulation in our computer case was quite good. When we remove the covers of the MSI-MPG GNR, it is possible to provide much better cooling, but then dust collects inside the computer case.